Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. We are discussing paper of JEE Advanced 2021. This is question number 19 from paper 2. For any real number x, bracket x denote the largest integer less than or equal to x. If I is equal to 0 to 10, bracket under root of 10x upon x plus 1 dx, then the value of 9i is. Okay, now to solve this question, let us assume fx to be equal to 10x upon x plus 1. Okay, now I can write this as 10 common 1 minus 1 upon x plus 1 also. Then we can see this f dash is equal to 10 into 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. So this is positive always, so function will be strictly increasing. And also this function is such that between 0 to 10 there is no point where it becomes not defined. So it will be continuous and increasing. Now at x is equal to 0 we can check f0 is 0, and at x is equal to 10 this f10 is equal to 100 upon 11, which will be 9.0 I think 9 only. Okay, so this will be so the under root of this f10 will be slightly bigger than 3. Now because we are given integral with GINT sign on some function, we have to understand when this under root of 10x upon x plus 1 will take integral values. Because f function is taking from values from 0 to 9.09 only, so the integral values for this function will be either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. And that too when 10x upon x plus 1 is either 0, it is when x is equal to 0, or it is 1, it is when x is equal to 1 upon 9, it is equal to 4 when x is equal to 2 upon 3, and this is equal to 9 when x is equal to 9 itself. You can check the calculation, yeah, 2 upon 3 and 9. So we have to break our limits at these numbers only. Okay, so let us do this calculation on the next page. So my I will be equal to, first my limit will be broken from 0 to 1 upon 9, and this GINT will be 0, and then 1 upon 9 to 2 by 3, and this GINT will be 1 only, and then 2 by 3 to 9, then it will be 2 dx, and in the end 9 to 10 the GINT will be 3 only. Okay, maximum value doesn't exceed 4, so 9 to 10 throughout its GINT will be 3 only. So if we calculate it, we get 0 here, we get 2 by 3 minus 1 by 9 here, plus 2 into 9 minus 2 by 3 here, plus 3 common 10 minus 9 here. So this becomes 6 minus 1 5 upon 9, plus 27 minus 2 50 into 2 50 upon 3, plus 3, and we are looking for 9i, so the value of 9i will be 5 plus 150 plus 27. So if we calculate it, we get 182. So answer for this question should be 182 only. So this completes the solution of this question. Thank you so much.